Welcome back with a new video about Wireshark tool. The goal of the video is to be familiar with the Wireshark protocol analyzer and now why it is considered as one of the best tools in sniffing and analyzing packets. Okay. Well, Wireshark is installed by default on Parrot and Kali Linux. So to install it, just type sudo apt-get install Wireshark and it will be installed. I installed it already, so I don't have to install it again. Now we will start Wireshark. Okay. So you have many interfaces. The default one usually will be the first one. So click on the shark fin here, and it start capturing packets now. To stop it, we have the stop button next to shark fin. So now we captured some packets. We finished it. We captured many packets here. So now let's explain Wireshark GUI. The packet number here is on the top left, and it's order which packets captured first. Yes. Here we have the time column is about when this packet was captured by Wireshark, and here we have the source field is who sent this packet, and here the destination is to whom this packet has been sent. Here we have the protocol column is information about the protocol. Is it UDP, is it ARP, DHCP, etc. And here we have the length. The length column here is describe the length of the packet. So for example, here we have 178 the length of the packet. Yes. Here we have the information info column and give more detail about the packet. Like describe more details information about the packet. Now we understood the GUI, so let's go to analyze some packets, but let me find good packet. I think I will choose DHCP version 6. Okay, so what we have here, okay, before everything I want to expand the drop down option of Internet Protocol version 6. It's here, yes. So first thing we have here version. It's like IP version number, which is 6. And second important thing is next header. Where is next header? Is it here? So it will tell us is it UDP or TCP. And source here, which is IP version 6 source address. Another point is that the best way to learn Wireshark is to use it. So as much as use Wireshark, you will learn more about packets. Now I want to make a FTP connection to my FTP server on Parrot. So I have a FTP server here, and I want to connect from my Ubuntu here to that FTP server. So let me run Wireshark here on Parrot. Okay. So it will be Wireshark, and after that, let me start capturing packets. Okay, it starts. So I want to filter the displayed packets into packets that related to FTP connection. So I want to use the filter bar and type FTP. So now from Ubuntu, I want to make FTP connection with username 10 and password 12345. I want to use the syntax. Wait a minute. Tab. Okay. I want to use the syntax FTP and Parrot, IP of Parrot. Okay, it's correct. Okay, with 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 I want to use ls command, and after that quit simply. Okay, so here we have a lot of packets, and I want to stop the sniffing sniffing tool. And what I want to do now is go to FTP packet and go to follow and TCP stream, and here I got all the all the commands that I wrote on my Kubuntu. So here I wrote ls and quit and entered the password 123455 and the username 10. All the commands I entered is logged here. Yeah. So the idea is from Wireshark I can sniff all the packets if I, like for example, FTP does not use encryption to encrypt the commands. So by Wireshark I can expose all the commands that wrote in my FTP server. So now let's go back to Kubuntu, and now we have this file. It's a BFD, bidirectional forwarding detection packets using simple password authentication. So let me open it by Wireshark. So because here we don't have a lot of packets, I can manually start expanding every field in the packet, trying to find the password that's not encrypted. So I want to expand all. And here the password is secret. So the password here is exposed as a secret. So I want to mention that not every PFD protocol packets used simple password authentication. It's also support MD5 and SHA authentication. That's all for today, and thank you guys for watching. See you in another contents.